Hello guys! For today's video, I'll be sharing 5 gift ideas for you. And of course, we will be featuring Shigetsu's product as you can see in this video. Okay, first one we have Kawaguchi White Cup. This cup is actually unisex, so it's good for both male and female. Good gift siya para sa boyfriend or girlfriend ninyo. Okay guys, so next naman, meron tayo ditong Nayagawa Sunshield. Actually, favorite ko tong glasses na to kasi ang klase niya lang tignan. Makikita niyo naman dito. Okay, next one, we have Thick Infusion Perfume. Actually, this perfume is bagay siya para sa mga lalaki since it has a very strong scent and talagang pang lalaki yung amoy niya. Okay, so next one is we have Niza Wallet. I think this wallet is for guys since kung makikita nyo dito sa itsura ng wallet, parang pang lalaki talaga yung design niya, no? Babagay ito sa mga papa ninyo. Okay, last but not the least gift idea is this Yatle backpack. Very classy siyang tignan actually and I think babagay siya sa boys and girls. And that is all guys. I hope you all enjoyed. Bye!